This patient has come to us and showcased his result on Hair Transplant Network. As you can see, the young patient not really had too much in the way of thinning. The crown is opening slightly, and also you can see that he had a little bit of thinning at the front. Fast forward to having then some poor surgery, and he shows the result of that, going from this man with a lot of hair prior to then somebody that's got this very pluggy distribution of grafts in misangles. And the donor, obviously it's a two-sided coin. The surgery can wreck the donor and also give you that pluggy hairline. Here you have these scarring, so we're punching out the grafts, replacing them into the donor. You can see this confluence of scars due to a lack of extraction pattern, heavy harvesting.
So with no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shern.